welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning back, welcome back. You guys, today's video is very casual. We are just going to talk about some of my favorite products that I have been using for most of, well, basically all of July, okay? Because that's over. I don't know what is happening to the time. Everything's just flying by. So these are my favorites from July and into August. I hear you guys telling me all the time about how fast I talk, and I'm like, I really try and slow down, but it does not work. My brain does not work like that. It's like, and it's like that all day, every day. I am gonna go in no particular order, you guys. These are basically all beauty products, okay? All basically beauty products. That's just where it's been for me lately. It's been, oh my God, I did have some other stuff. I forgot it. I will bring it in another favorites video. It's probably gonna be a favorites video coming again in about 2 weeks, but let's go into this. If you watched my Get Ready With Me, if you didn't, don't worry, I'll put a card right here. You can watch it right after. No need to go anywhere, just stay right here and watch it. My favorite foundation for right now is the Nars. Everything will be in the description box below. I'm not gonna even try and play this game right here, okay? This is in the color Morocco, and it is awesome. I really like it. I don't know, some days in this color I look like my color, and then some days I look green, some days I look yellow. I don't know. My skin is definitely getting a little tan, a little glow, okay? Got the glow going on. I don't know, I'm just glowing, I guess. It might be that new skincare I'm using, but I'm not gonna tell you about that yet until I do a little bit more research on it, until I've been using it a little bit more, because I don't feel comfortable sharing things with you guys unless I'm like, you know, 100% sure. So give me a little bit more time with that. But my favorite foundation at the moment is Nars, and I always told you about Sacha Buttercup. This is the setting powder that I use. I have found a new concoction cocktail. I am mixing this with the translucent powder from Mercier. I mix them together. I feel it gives me the perfect balance. I get like a little bit of golden, and then I get a little bit of just a clear translucent, and then I don't get flashback in my pictures. So I like that. So that's a nice combo if you're looking or in need of a setting powder. Like I said, all of this will be in the description box, so don't worry. I know you're not able to really see it. I am loving Tatcha. I shared that in the video. I'm not gonna keep referring back to my Get Ready With Me just because she's excited. You guys, I had so much fun doing that video. This is a water cream. This is really, really good. I've been loving this. I actually got this as a gift for my birthday from Sephora, so I've been liking it a lot. I got this from Coco Beauty. Shout out to Coco. I love her channel, and I love her on Instagram. She is so funny. I love her. We are gonna meet one day in person and go and have coffee. Okay, so this is a clear face. This is the sunscreen. It's SPF 55. I will put this in. I have been putting this under my makeup the days that I do wear makeup, and I've also been putting this on just heading out to the gym. I was using something else from Nars, but it was way too expensive because I would go to the gym, wear it, then come back and take it off. That was a waste. So when she showed Sheree, when she showed this on her channel, I was like, I'm definitely gonna go out and try it. And I took it on vacation with me to Mexico, and it was really good. Put it under my makeup. I didn't look blue, I didn't look yellow, I didn't look gray, and the price point is really good. So I'm totally here for that. So shout out to Coco. Thank you for that, girlfriend. You guys, I was telling you, when was I telling you? Oh, and then another video back, I'm just referring to videos. Hello, who's working out here? Another video back, I was sharing with you guys about what I apply on my feet to keep the moisture in there, and to keep them supple and nice and not looking cracked and ashy. And the thing that I use in the spring and the summer would be the Shea Butter. Is this Shea Butter, Sheree? Are you making that up? I'm making it up. I told you I do that a lot, but I am going to tell you what the name is. It is Shea Moisture. This is head to toe nourishing hydration extra virgin coconut oil. This is really, really nice. It's a nice consistency. In the winter and the fall, it will go real hard and you'll be like scraping it out. So I don't use it then. When it comes to fall and winter, I use Vaseline. But in the spring and the summer, this comes out and it's a little soft. I'm almost done with this. This is almost ready to be in an empties video, but it's really nice. You just take a glob out, moisturize your feet, everything like that. Get them nice and supple. Put a nice pair of socks on or plastic bags, you know, the kind of like saran wrap. And then just, if you're gonna go out that day, I would use saran wrap and just wrap them if you really want them to be really nice and supple. And then if you're just going to go to bed, I would put on a nice pair of socks just to lock in the moisture. That's what I do, and I absolutely love it. Another thing I shared with you guys, I shared with you about this months ago when it first came out, and I am still obsessed and loving this. I also used this in the video, told you I was going to tell you about it. You guys, this is just good. I mean, I love Fix Plus, I love Urban Decay Out All Night or whatever it's called. And there's another one that somebody told me about that I tried and I really love. But the thing that gets me with this is that I don't like the shh, shh, shh. And then you get those little dots on your face. Like, I cannot stand that. The dots that come on the face. I love this. This is just a, do you see that? It's just a, it's like a mist. And I'm here for that. So I may not go back to, excuse me, what is going on? Who's playing music? What in the world? Okay, anyways, somebody is so ghetto in this house. I don't know who, I don't know. This is the way to go if you are looking for something to set your makeup. Give it a try, thank me later. This is nothing new. My grandmother would probably have told me about this, I'm sure. This is Cocoa Butter, Palmer's, you know, old school Palmer's. This is really, really good. I guess this is the empties because this is gone. But this is really good. You can pick this up anywhere. Target, Walmart. Actually, I picked this up at Ross. I find a lot of good things at Ross. You know, just weird things. Like things I'm not even looking for. At Ross, I found them. This was like $3.29. Couldn't beat it. I think it's even more expensive than that at Walmart. I'm obsessed with these teeth whitening strips from Crest. These are just the Crest whitening strips. They are enamel safe, so you don't have to worry about that. I have been using these for about, I don't know, forever. I've just recently picked these back up again and started using this brand again, and I really like it. No, this is not sponsored, but Crest, hello, you can give a girl a call. These are really good, you guys. I like them. Next up, I want to tell you guys about this. Remember this? I did an unboxing of beauty favorites from Chanel, and you guys, I got the color, what is it, less beige. This is less beige, and I got the color 60. It's okay, I'm wearing it today. You can't probably even really tell or see it, but I did use it in that Get Ready With Me video, and it's really nice. However, I did actually go to the Chanel counter and I played with 60 and 70. And I think I said this before, but I'll say it again just in case you didn't see that video. 60 is good, and that's what I have here. But 70 was a little bit more red, golden tones, more me. I can wear either one because they're so translucent, so it doesn't really matter. But if you are about my skin complexion, my skin tone, you might want to really go with, you know, number 70. I am actually going to get them both because I just love the compact. The other one, I don't know if it'll still have the limited edition compact case or fancy writing on it, but even if not, I'm going to go ahead and just get the other one, so I'll have them both. Like I said, you can use this as translucent powder. You can also use this as a bronzer. You can also use this as a face powder. You can go darker and get it as a contour, whatever you like to use. I always say makeup has no rules. You do with it what makes you happy. I just wanted to show you how cute the case is. I think nothing looks cuter or is prettier when you're sitting at lunch or maybe brunch or something, you know, and you just whip this out of your purse and you're like, oh my God, or your handbag or your clutch, you know, because clutches are really in right now. I got a handbag video coming up, stay tuned for that. But you know, you take this out and you're just blotting your face, or you can, oh, and I told you guys, this brush really is soft. I mean, it's soft to the touch. Chanel, hello, excuse you? Gosh, I don't have money to just buy all Chanel products, but you know, when you, sometimes you can't turn back, and this feels really good, so I might order another Chanel brush. So I've been going into Neiman Marcus, Barney's, just the fancy stores like that, and I am really loving a ton of fragrances at this time, and I have a fragrance video coming up that I'll share with you guys. But there's one day I went into Barney's. Was it Barney's? Yeah, it was Barney's. And I was just browsing around by Byredo and, you know, Frederic Malle and just a bunch of the fragrances, and I wanted to get a new hand cream. I have the Chanel hand cream and I have that, but I don't want to wear it out, and I love having different accessories and things like that in my handbags. It just makes me feel fancy. You know, I'm foo-foo la-la, so she definitely loves that. Always here for something to get out of the handbag that looks really pretty, especially like I said when you're at brunch. So I popped in and came across, I knew about this, but I didn't really love the scent. When I smelled it, it was okay. I didn't fall in love with it. I fell in love with another one, but I fell in love with the scent here at this trip that I made, and that's none other than Byredo, and this Byredo. This is the Byredo Mojave Ghost, and I love this stuff. It smells so good. A lot of times when I'm on the fence and I don't really know if I want to commit to a fragrance, the full bottle, even a small bottle, even a roller bottle, I will not hesitate to go ahead and pick up the hand cream or the body soaps, because generally it smells just as well, and sometimes the longevity stays on and lasts a little bit longer. So I went with that, and this fits inside any of my handbags, and it's really nice Oh my God, it smells so good. This is so sexy to me. Oh my God, you know it's shoulder season, right? I don't care if what you guys are speaking on fall vibes. It was 100 degrees the other day. I am still wearing my shoulders out. Hello, excuse you? Call me in October and I may have put them away, but for right now, the shoulders are gonna be, I told you, I live to work a good shoulder. But this smells amazing. I am going to have a review and I will be talking about Mojave Ghost and 6 other Byredo scents on the Fragrance Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. It's a lot of good stuff coming up. You don't want to miss it. Every August, I always wear a camellia. I always tell you guys that. A camellia for the month of August, and for Chanel's birthday, her birthday was August 19th, and my wedding anniversary is August 19th, as well as my birthday is the whole month of August. So I wear this nice little camellia flower in remembrance and in celebration of all of those beautiful things that mean a lot to me in my life. And that is it. TV shows, any new TV shows. I need new TV shows, you guys. I do not have any TV shows at the moment. I think all of my shows are coming back this Sunday though. Ballers is coming back, Power is coming back, Pretty Little Lies is over, that's done. So I really only have like 2 shows that I'm able to watch at the moment. I don't know what else is on TV. I really don't watch a lot of TV. So if you have TV recommendations, make sure you leave those in the description box below. I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing, amazing afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you are in your day while watching this video. Please know that it is appreciated. Your time is appreciated and you truly are the MVPs. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until next time, wait, don't leave without hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the button, you know, on your way out, you know. I'm just saying, just, you know, just hit the button on your way out. You guys, it's been real. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.